It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. I hope you is having a great day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am excited because I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing and a few other things that I bought online. So if you want to see what I have to show you guys, stick around. All right, before I get started with today's video, let me just address the same thing that every other luxury YouTuber on YouTube has been addressing, and that is the Louis Vuitton increase. Let me just tell you exactly what I think about it and how I feel. Okay, that's how I feel about it. Louis Vuitton is going to do what Louis Vuitton wants to do, and it's okay, you guys. It's not the end of the world. If they price the Neverfull at $4,000, it's not the end of the world. Just don't buy it, okay? They don't care. I'm tired of hearing about it. It happens all the time. Oh, it was just so big. It was the biggest one I've ever seen. Big deal, you guys. There's lots of other brands, okay? That's all I have to say. And with that, I do have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I did buy this before the increase, and I am excited to have it. I have been wanting another one of these for a while and just put it off, and I heard that they were having an increase, so I did quickly purchase it, and I'll show you what it is, and then I will tell you more about it. So let me go ahead and get into this unboxing and show you what I got. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. All right, it's a small item. Actually, like I said, it's something I've wanted for a while, so I just went ahead. And I don't even know, you guys, I don't even care, okay, about the increase. I don't care because it doesn't affect my life, okay? It doesn't affect me, and it doesn't affect you, not really. Not if you look at things realistically. I mean, maybe there was a bag that you really wanted, like a Neverfull, and now it's out of your reach. Well, there's lots of other places. I would suggest the Reetsy page on Facebook because you can find lots of good deals. Okay, so anyway, here it is. I don't even know how much this one went up, if it went up. So it is a small item. And I got the PM toiletry case. Two reasons. I actually wanted another azure piece because I don't have much of it, and as you can remember, oh gosh, okay. As you can remember, you guys, I was trying to add more canvas. So I'm really glad that I got it. The only other toiletry Louis Vuitton case I have is the GM in Ebene. So I wanted to add another toiletry piece, and I really wanted the monogram, but then I'm really glad I got this one because I don't have much azure, and so it worked out well. So it's a nice little piece, and I'm excited to have it. And I will tell you guys that I had messaged Becca about 2 or 3 days before the increase. I think I'm the only luxury YouTuber in the world who does not have a mini pochette. And the reason I never got one is because the toiletries fit the bill for me. And I always thought maybe that chain might be annoying. And I also got some that are comparable, some Coach that are I also got some Coach SLGs that are comparable to the mini pochette, and I just always found, this is the toiletry 15, I always found this one and the 19 that it served my purpose. But anyway, as I was saying, a couple days before the increase, I had messaged Becca and asked her if she could find me a mini pochette, and she said yes, but I'm off work. Well, by the time she got back to work, she did find me one in the Ebene, and I would have purchased it, but you know, it's like I'm saying, just don't buy it because, you know, at $5.50, I believe it was around that price, I was going to get it. But at $7.50 or $7, whatever the price is now, no, I'm not going to get it. So it's not the end of the world, you guys. We will pull through this. I mean, just don't buy it, okay? Or maybe I'll find it on a Reetsy page, or maybe I'll find one in a really good condition at a good price that I'm willing to pay. I mean, either, the bottom line is either you're willing to pay it or you're not. This is pretty pricey, and I'm glad that I got it, and I'm excited to have this. I'm really excited to have it, but really, that's all I have to say about it. It's gonna keep happening. You know, there's other brands out there, people. So just cool it, everybody. Just cool it, okay? All right. So I have something else to show you. Do you guys remember the STAUD bag that I got? And many of you messaged me and said the emblem was crooked, and it was. So I sent it back and I got another piece. And let me show you what it is. I'm just looking at this. Is there anything prettier than just the white azure? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay. I'm excited. Okay, guys, so the black STAUD bag, I sent it back because the emblem was crooked. Well, this one is too, but I'm not going to send this one back. So this is just an exchange. I ordered the black one, like I said. It was like in October, and I never got it because I was going to use it for an event around Christmas. When I ended up sending it back, this is new on the website, and I saw this and I thought, oh my gosh, that is so cute for the spring and summer. The wickery look how cute. But yeah, I think it still has the plastic on it. Let me pull the plastic off. This one was $50 cheaper than the black leather one. So I got a refund, and they sent this within a couple of days. I absolutely love it. It has that same beautiful resin handle. Is that not a cute little bag? Oh my gosh. This will be my summer bag. And of course, it does come with a crossbody. And I love STAUD, you guys. It is quite pricey, but nothing like a Louis Vuitton bag or, you know. But I love this brand. And it comes with the leather crossbody strap. Look at that. So excited. This would be such a cute little vacation bag. A cute little summer bag. So really it worked out well, and it has this adjustable strap. I will link this below for you guys, but I absolutely love this. And yes, it does look a little crooked, but it's not as bad as the black one. It doesn't really even show up. So what do you guys think about this one? I'm happy with it. So that's my exchange. So there's that. But I'm just so excited over this little cutie, you guys. I'm so happy it worked out like this. All right. I have another item that I purchased. And I got this from the same place that I love to order my headbands from. Yes, it's another headband, Twine and Love. And they have given me a discount code. And I will link all that below for you guys. These are the headbands that look at Chanel-esque look about them. So let's just bust into this bag. I really haven't been shopping that much. Like I said, that is just an exchange bag, but I've been doing a lot better. Keith said he was proud of me that our American Express reflected that I haven't been shopping as much. So I'm pretty proud of myself. So you guys, here it is. Twine and Love. Now they have a website, and they also have an Etsy store. I bought the pink one. So now I have all the colors. I have the black, I have the cream, the red, and now this beautiful rosy color pink. And it actually is about the same color as my capucines, my pink capucines. Anyway, you guys, they're very comfortable, very inexpensive, about $15. And then there's a discount code that I will list below. But you guys, I have really loved these Chanel-esque headbands. And I just love headbands. So also, when you do order from them, you will get a card with a 10% discount. And I believe my discount is 15%, but they do send a discount card. So check them out, you guys. Twine and Love. So that is my purchase. 15 bucks, you guys. It's not that bad. Okay, the next item that I got is Vince Camuto. I love Vince Camuto. I've always been a fan of their shoes. Yes, it's a pair of shoes. So I have been going through my closet and cleaning things out and getting rid of things that I never wear, and actually things that I feel like they're out of style. I don't really like to put it that way because style is your own personal thing, but for me, it's out of my style, okay? Let me just put it that way. We all have our own style, and my style has changed somewhat, and I've just been getting rid of a few things, so I wanted to add a few pair of summer shoes, and I found these, and I hope they're not too tall. So, Vince Camuto, I got these from Nordstrom. Has long been one of my favorite brands as far as shoes because they've always fit me well and they're very, very comfortable. So I picked these up. How pretty. Oh my gosh, these are so, so pretty. They're just a nude, just a pretty nude shoe. Let me take this out. And they're not too tall, but I had several pair of Jessica Simpsons that I had bought back in the day that were super tall when I was much younger, and I loved them, but this is about as tall as I go these days, you guys. Aren't these so pretty? So let me get the other one out and show you. So these would be really pretty for any time of year, really. Maybe not in the coldest part of the winter, but these go well with just about anything that you would wear. It's just a nice, basic sandal. It's sexy. Just really pretty, with a really good heel height, and they're spongy. The thing I love about Vince Camuto shoes, I've always found them very comfortable, very spongy footbed. They seem to fit my wide little Fred Flintstone feet. I really love these. Perfect for a special date night or an event, or we're gonna go to church on Greek Easter this year, you guys. So I'll probably wear these, but I love these. I will link these below. I don't really know what the price was on them, but they're very, very reasonable. Mine are a size 8 medium in the color biscuit, and they're a soft patent leather. So really pretty. I would guess these to be around 50 or 60 bucks. I don't think I got them on sale, but I will link these as well, and I think there's some more colors too. So that is the end of my haul, except one other item that I have to show you, and it's a gift. It's from my sweet friend Dawn of Dawn Loves Couture. I will put her channel in the description box. Please go and subscribe to Dawn because she has a lovely collection. She's a lovely person and she's my friend, and I want you guys to subscribe to her. But she sent me a lovely gift, and I think it's a belated Valentine's gift, I think. Is it, Dawn? I'm not sure. But she's so sweet, you guys. I just love Dawn. And she has a lovely collection of scents and soaps and body washes and things like that. And she sent me this brand, this Beekman 1802. And this is a goat milk hand cream. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm excited. Hand cream is something that I just can't be without. Thank you so much, Dawn. I'm excited to try this. Let me pull this little tab off and put some on my hand and see what it feels like. All right. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. It has the cleanest scent. Oh, wow. I love that. Oh, Dawn, thank you so much. This is lovely. Thank you so much for this. When I run out of that, I'm definitely going to repurchase. Oh, what a beautiful scent. And then she also sent me 3 bars of soap. Oh my goodness. And I can smell them through the packaging. Look at the beautiful packaging. Now, I've never tried this before. To be honest with you, I've never even heard of this brand because I guess I'm not very exotic when it comes to things like this, but I am so excited because this smells so wonderful. I don't even know, wait. Okay, so wait, here's the paperwork. And it says, I hope this small gift brightens your day. I love these products and I hope you like the scent I chose. I do, Dawn. Oh my gosh, it is fabulous. I'm gonna go on the website and I'm gonna see what else I can find. Wow, I would love some body wash that smells like this. This is absolutely fabulous. Thank you, Dawn, so much. You are just such a good friend. So you guys go check out Dawn Loves Couture and tell her that I sent you, okay? You guys go on over there. So, wow. I got some nice things, you guys. Oh, this is the thing I'm the most excited about. This right here. I am going on the website today. Thank you, Dawn, so much. Love you so much, sweetheart. You are such a lovely, lovely person. Okay, so that is the end of my haul. But the next thing I want to do is another giveaway. And I'm excited to do this because this is the third giveaway. I'm not quite at 5K yet, but very soon. I should be at 5K in the next, hopefully the next week. Get me there. Please get me there. And I do need to finish that painting, you guys. I have not even worked on it a bit. I've got to finish it because I've got to get it where it's dry enough where I can ship it. But anyway, that's going to be the last thing that I give away. But we're going to go ahead. We are going to go ahead and give away this. Okay? So what I want you to do is go over to Dawn's channel and subscribe to Dawn and tell me what you like about my channel. I would like to know what you like about my channel. I don't want to hear anything bad, you guys. I'm just not in a mood for anything bad. But just tell me what you like about it, okay? And what you would like to see more of on my channel. So this is going up on Tuesday and we are going to do this drawing and I will tell you who the winner is on Thursday. Now sometimes, like I got behind this week because I wasn't feeling well. I had a low grade temp, but sometimes things happen and I will make an announcement. But subscribe to Dawn's channel the same way you did with Devin. Tell her I sent you because I will check when I do the random picker. I have to make sure that you're subscribed to Dawn and tell me what you like about my channel and what you would like to see more of, okay? So basically, that about wraps it up today, you guys. I'm so excited, and I think out of everything I got, this is my favorite thing. Well, I love this, and look, it goes in there, and this is going to come in handy, and so will this, because we're leaving for the beach on Friday. When Keith gets off work, we're going to go see his mom. We feel like we don't go see her enough, so I will do some vlogging while I'm there. I hope I will. I said that last time, and I didn't because I just wanted to be in the moment, but I feel like I'll do some vlogging while I'm there. Thank you, Dawn, for the lovely gifts. I'm obsessed. This smells delicious. Absolutely delicious. And subtle and clean. All right, guys, so that's all I have for you today. Be sure and go over to Dawn's channel and subscribe, and I will see you guys in a couple of days. Love you guys so much. Mwah. Peace.